So, pretty much, okay, I had to fix my voice. So, pretty much, this one say that we should administer ceftriaxone, 1 gram of IV piggyback every 12 hours for the next 7 days. So, we want to go ahead and highlight the IV piggyback because we're going to need to read this label in order to figure some stuff out. So, okay, for IV administration, we're going to highlight that on our label. Then we're going to pull our label up, pulling it up on the screen so you guys could see. So it says reconstitute with 9.6 milliliter of an IV diluent specified in accompanying package insert. Each 1 milliliter of IV solution contains approximately 100 milligram, equivalent to the meds. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do some little working out here, because we're gonna say, okay, so if 100 milligram of if 1 milliliter of IV solution is equal to 100 milligram, then how much is 1 gram equal to a milliliter? However, remember that 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. So we're going to just change it out right there and write 1000 gram. And we don't know how many milliliters is equal to, so we put X milligram, take out milligram, and we cross multiply. So we're going to have 100X is equal to 1000 milligram. Divide both sides by 100. Divide both sides by 100. We're going to be left with 10. So we know that in this vial, there is pretty much 10 milliliters. So we're going to pretty much pull 10 milliliter from the vial. Now, pretty much the nurse is using a pump. The nurse would set the pump at what rate? So this is where they really try to trick you. You see where they have this set and solution butyrol. We know that butyrol is 60, yeah. And normal saline 500 milliliter bag. They didn't tell us to do, we don't even know what that is. So I'm like, I'm not going to bust my brain on it trying to figure it out. So what I do, I just move on. I said, okay, it says dilute with 75 ml and infuse over 30 minutes. We already know that we have 10 ml of the medication. We need to dilute it with 75 ml of normal saline from that 500 milliliter bag. So we said, okay, we add that 10 milliliter to that 75, give us 100. We use the butyrol, which is equal to 60 and GTT per ml. So we say 85 over 30 minutes times 60 GTT per ml. You know that the ml will take out the ml. And then we work it like that. So we're gonna end up with 170 milliliter per hour. So that's how we're gonna work that one. So we're now left with 170 milliliter per hour. You must be saying, how did she get the drops? Go back to your rounding rule. Yep, and that's that for that.